Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 3.1 of 8th class construction of quadrilaterals. Okay, in that 3.1 exercise, I am going to explain F bit. It is given that construct a square Ludo with LU 4.5 centimeter. See here square is given. Square means we should only require one side length. If you require one side length, then we can construct a square. Okay, why? Because all sides are equal in the square. Okay, so one measurement is enough for that. And square means all four angles are 90 only, no? So that angle also we can take 90. Okay, see, given that square Ludo, so I took all four sides, LU, UD and DO, OL. These all four sides are same length, 4.5 centimeters, and all four angles are 90 degrees. Okay, by using this we can expect the rough diagram LUDO, Ludo. Okay, now this is a one side length is 4.5 centimeters, means opposite side and adjacent side, all four sides are same length we can consider, and all four angles 90 we can consider. Okay, now how to construct that square Ludo? Now let me explain. Just wait a minute. I'll take that compass and ruler. Okay, by using that we can construct Ludo. See here, once again, see, this is a compass. One metal pointer will be on another end. We can fix the pencil, and that both ends should be equal in length. Just we can check it like this, and we can fix the pencil. After that, once how to take the ruler, that first we can take, and we can 4 centimeters we can take metal pointer at the zero of the ruler. This we can call scalar ruler, and second end we can adjust with 4.5. At 4.5 we can adjust it like this. You should keep otherwise you should keep like this. This is 0, this is 1, and at the other end should 4.5. It is showing that 4.5. Okay, this without shaking that ends of the compass. Just we have to take, just I am taking like this. So for just to two edges, just I am taking. You can put here like this, and you have to join by using scale or a ruler, and you have to take LU, Ludo, no, LUDO. So first line segment you can get LU, that is 4.5 centimeters radius. Now you can write the step. Okay, you can write the step how to draw the line segment LU of radius 4.5 centimeters. That only I wrote here, draw a line segment LU with radius 4.5 centimeters. After getting line segment LU, now you can, by using center L, you have to draw the ray and arc. Okay, you have to draw the ray. Why we are taking ray means this corner angle L we have 90, no, in square, that's what. So ray of 90 degrees. By using protractor you can adjust it 90. So 90 means exactly opposite, no, exactly perpendicular line we can take. Okay, so from here we can take a ray, we can draw a ray. Okay, this is a ray, and with the same from here onwards, like this you can draw the arc with 4.5 centimeter. Suppose I am taking here to here, just approximately I am drawing from center L. You can draw the arc, and radius 4.5 centimeter radius. Okay, you have to draw the ray and arc, okay, which are equal to 90 degrees. Ray, arc is 4.5. Okay, this ray and arc meet at a one point. meet at one point. Already we know LU, here D will come, here O will come. So these two meet at a point. Let us take O. That only I wrote. With the center L, draw a ray of 90 degrees and an arc with radius 4.5 centimeter. These two meet at a point O. These two ray and arc meet at a point O. Okay. Now same with the using center U. Okay, with the center U, again same you can draw a ray and an arc. Same, by using compass in your notebook you can draw an arc. Suppose from here I am taking like this. Okay, these are arc and ray meet at a point D. Okay, after that getting, now you can join OD. You can join OD. This is 4.5, this also 4.5. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Okay, with using center U, you can draw a ray of 90 and an arc 4.5 centimeter radius. Okay, now after these two meet at a point D, this OD we can join, then we can get a square, required square ludo we can get. Okay, after this third point only I wrote. Now with the center you draw another ray and arc of 90, 4.5 centimeter. These two meet at a point D. Now join, fifth point you can write, fourth point, join O comma D, then required square ludo is formed. Okay, like this we can construct a square ludo by using given measurements. Okay, I hope you understood. You can write in your notebook. This is the rough diagram. This is the main diagram. By using ruler and compass, we have constructed this one. Okay. So actually I don't have time to explain all this. So middle. Now only I came from the school. Just I started this. I have little bit 10 minutes time, so that I started and I explained for you. Okay, thank you.